So now we are going to enter in your 2700 square feet sample unit in Mahagun Memorial. So this is your private lift entrance lobby. Here you are getting two private lifts, lift number 1 and this would be your lift number 2. So these lifts are your biometric one. So if you will see your home having two doors, this is your primary door, and once you go backside, then this is your secondary door. So once you'll open this secondary door, you'll be entering in your service area where you are getting one more service lift and servant room. This is your servant room and this is the service lift area. Now you can see the quality of the door. The premium height door is there, and if you see the main door quality, it has PU, and the locks are, it has your biometric locks, then pin system, then we have the key system. Door set Kawa we have used here. So once you enter, first you will get the foyer. And this is your powder room. As these houses are customized one, so you have the option, like if you see, first you see this powder room, and this is your guest bedroom. The premium wooden flooring we have used here. All units are your centralized AC one. We have used here Daikin VRV system, and you can get cupboards, that too with the premium quality. You can see the depth of the cupboard. This room is connected with your washroom. Has all the premium fitting fixtures we have used here. This is your shower area. Kohler cubicle we have used with WC, and your bathing area. See the height of the door. Full height door we are providing you. So here the whole area is your living and dining. So here we have divided into two parts, your informal dining or formal living room. So this is the customized partition. You can remove this partition, or we have the many option. You can go with the sliding door also. Similarly, if you see this area, so this bedroom size is a standard bedroom size, but if you want bigger bedroom, so you can merge this powder room with this guest bedroom. So this is, again, we are giving you the customization option. So let's move forward and let's go inside this formal living room. Beautifully designed formal living room. It has premium marble, as you can see. All units are your golf facing unit, but let me tell you, golf course view you are getting from the top, like above 4th floor only. So we are on 1st floor. This is the 7 feet width of balcony you are getting. We have two types of unit in 3 bedroom. One is 7 feet width of balcony. The super area size is your 2700, and we have one more type, that is 10 feet width of balcony. The super area is 2850. You can see the glass railing. We have SS railing with the glass facade. And if you see this window quality, this is very different. Japanese brand, the Suko brand we have used here. This is high glossed anodized aluminum window. This is a heavier door. And we have used here the performance series glass. We have the option for the DGU glass also. As you know, DGU glass is used for the heat insulation purpose. There are two glasses in between. We have the organ gas. So this is a small bar here. So this is your formal living room. Now we are going towards your dining area. So again you have premium Italian marble here, spacious dining area. The whole POP and centralized AC area you are getting here. So now we are, this is your family lounge area, and now we are going to enter in your master bedroom. This is a spacious master bedroom. Beautiful design. This bedroom is connected with the main balcony. You are getting cupboards also here, and this is your washroom, the spacious washroom, again with the world-class fitting fixtures with the premium quality. Again, you are getting cupboards inside the washroom too. The glass door here we are providing you. Now we are moving towards your third bedroom. This is the standard size of the bedroom. You can use this room as a kids room too. In bedroom we are providing you the engineered wooden flooring. Again, this room is connected with your balcony area. It has huge balcony. Let me show you the balcony. Quite heavy door. This balcony is connected with your servant area, and this one you can use as a utility space because this balcony is connected with the bedroom as well as kitchen too. And you can see golf course. From both the side you are getting golf course. Because unit is open from both sides, you can see early in the morning sunrise as well as evening sunset both. This is your third washroom. Again, this is your cubicle, WC, the premium fitting fixtures. Now we are moving towards heart of the house, your kitchen. Kitchen is centrally located and it is fully modular kitchen. Again, as I mentioned, these are the customized one, so you may get various type of color combination. And this door is open towards your this utility area. All the hobs and chimney you are getting here. The premium woodwork is here. Right now I am standing at the center of the house. Again, I would like to recapitulate. This is your powder room and the bedroom area. This is your guest bedroom. Then behind this wall there is your formal living room. Right now I am standing at dining area. Then we have kitchen area. Then your standard bedroom, and this is your master bedroom. If you go outside, then you have your this lift lobby. This is your private lift lobby. As I mentioned, all lifts are your biometric lifts. And your servant room. This is your servant room. Servant room is connected with your utility space. And this is the servant washroom.